How to create the two tables side by side on MS Word. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can do that. So watch this video till the very end to know how you can do it. So either you are using your phone or your PC, you can use this method. Open your MS Word. First of all, choose a document you already want to, or you can also choose a new document. Now what you need to do is you need to create a two-row table. First of all, for that you can simply go on the table option, minimize the columns and rows, and just keep the very two rows right here. Now tap on the very first row. Now what you need to do is scroll on the left side and again add a table there. On the second row as well, add the next table. Now you can see that we have already created two tables. Now what we can do is we can just remove the very first two rows that we had to just make this two tables. So go to the very first row that we created to make this two tables side by side. After going on the very first row, you can just clear that row. You will see the very option of clear right here. Just tap on the clear option and then the very original row will be deleted, and then two tables are now created side by side on your MS Word. So that's how you can do it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.